Welcome to a gentle morning stretch. Let's begin with a simple roll of your shoulders back, gently bend your knees. Let's just very mindfully move throughout the session as I bring you to this community garden in the middle of Helsinki. I'll stand over here in the shadows and I'll let the garden be the main attraction for today. Just stick with me through the entire session. Connect your breath to each and every movement. As we begin to circle the shoulders back a little further, bring your shoulder blades together, squat down just a little bit more. When you're feeling good, maybe bring a little bit of pace into the movement. This community garden was built in 1945 by the then Finnish president's wife. Finland was decimated by the Second World War. And anybody in Helsinki who wanted a plot here could come for free. They would get free public transportation to and from. They were also provided with seeds. There was a gardener on staff here to help people learn how to plant and grow. As we continue to try to grow our community with just daily movement, present moment awareness, and just a real connection to each other, to lift each other up through just simply showing up on a daily basis. I think this garden represents everything we're trying to do here, to nourish ourselves, to come together. All right. We're going to shift from side to side. Come up off your heel. Feel yourself getting long. Stand tall. Your spine decompresses. Breathe in, come down, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Reach your arm up now. Other side. Feel a lovely stretch in the side body and the shoulder. Last one here. Narrow your stance just a little bit. Swing your arms up and back. When the right arm comes up, come up onto the balls of your feet. Get playful, really light. Movements here today. You're gonna stretch things out. Help us with mobility and balance so that we can get into the garden more often. Do the things we truly love to do with more presence, awareness. Come down just a little bit, up. Yeah. Okay, now just swing the arms, stay steady. And now when the left arm comes up onto the balls of your feet. You got it. Just notice. Ooh, last one here. Lovely. Left foot forward, right leg back to a bit of a forward lunge. Hands come together. Open up your chest. Bring the right knee down just a little bit. Rise up. Just flow here. Just notice everything you feel in your body right now. There's no right or wrong. That acceptance of where we're at. Whatever we feel, we feel. Open Pull those arms up a little bit bigger. Bring the shoulder blades together. Yeah, get down just a little bit more. Okay. Bring the right foot forward. Now, let's sweep the arms up and down. Just come down just a little bit. Bend that knee, rise up. Ooh, catch your balance. Left knee comes down just a bit. Arms up. Grow tall. There we go. Breathe in deeply. Let it go. Last one here. Yeah. Give your backside a bit of a kick. Let's really wake up our legs. Shift from side to side. Breathe in and let me know, can you smell that lilac tree that is right here? It is incredible. Shift further. Magpies and a blackbird having a bit of a disagreement. Come on, don't they know we're building community here? We're supposed to work together. Just a bit of pace. Let's continue to build endurance so we can stay in the garden for longer. Okay. The most mindful movement you've done all week right now. We're gonna step out, heel into the ground, reach your hands down, and slowly come up. Other side. Breathe in. Let it all go. Breathe in, stand tall. Other side. Let it all go. Deeply in. Exhale. Slow. Very focused, intentional movement. Feel that stretch throughout your body. Move so slowly when you put your leg down, you notice, whoa, balance, yes. Watch the mind. Just notice when your thoughts wander off from what we're doing and bring all your attention right back here. Feel that stretch in your hamstring all the way to your fingertips and down again. Feel your heel touching the ground. Last one to each side, real focused. Isn't it so grand when we stumble? Oh, beautiful. Narrow your stance. Again, incredibly mindful movement. Bend your knees, bring your hands together. Breathe in deeply, open everything up. Look up to the sky. Bend your back, chest up high. Exhale, come on down. Let your hands kiss together, just gently open up, breathe in deeply. Exhale. Breathe in and out. From the soles of your feet to the top of your head, notice. One more here. Hold it. Suspend the breath. Just be. Let it all go. Thank you so much for being with me. If you'd like to stick around, I'm going to do a walking meditation. I'm going to take the camera with me and I'm going to go through the garden. If you'd like to stick around and just observe, maybe if you can walk around your space very slowly, just walk forwards and back and join me and use it as a meditation every time the mind wanders. Just bring it back to the visuals of what you see without any judgments or labeling. Just notice and see if we can't go no mind for a moment or two. If that's it for you today, have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Everybody else, let's go for a little walk. I hope you have an incredible day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.